Hey guys, welcome to J Hart Model Works, coming to you with a shop card shout out. But first, real quick, an update on the Alpine A110 is that she is making progress. Body is on the chassis, front end is done, but there is not going to be a video on the Alpine A110 this weekend. It's been a hell of a weekend. Last weekend was my daughter's birthday weekend, so I spent some time with her. On top of that, as what may have been mentioned, we've been doing a bunch of renovations in the house. So we had the back room, the hallway that leads to the two back rooms, the bathroom, and a small closet that's also off that hallway. All of those have been completely repainted. We're replacing all the light fixtures, all the electrical sockets and switches, just all the light fixtures, and we had flooring coming in Monday to put the wood floor in. So we had a little bit of painting left to do and a lot of cleanup that had to be done before they showed up Monday morning so that they could put the flooring in. So pretty much this entire week has been just bust my butt. On top of that, work has moved me to a new project that is very busy, so I do not have the downtime that I've been having in the past, which, I mean, for YouTube it's a bad thing, but for me it's really a good thing. When you start having large amounts of downtime like that, bad things start happening. 25 members of our team got told that the 31st of March was their last day. And luckily I was not one of those people, but with those 25 people gone, there's a lot more work that needs to be done by a lot fewer people. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I even started painting parts until Monday afternoon, maybe Tuesday morning, and I didn't start assembling anything until Thursday. There's no way I can get this done, much less get a video edited out by Saturday. It's just not going to happen, so we're aiming for next Saturday. Instead, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a couple of shop cards that I got in, and they are good ones. First one we're going to look at is from Jason over at Blue Ox Model Shop. Great looking card. He's got some fantastic looking builds, just absolutely fantastic. His channel's only been up for about a month, but he's almost at 600 subscribers. So that is amazing growth, especially, I mean, compared to me. I don't think I was in the hundreds, but who knows? I may have been. But it looks like he has years of experience building. He may have had a prior channel, I'm not entirely certain. Definitely an established builder, and just some great builds. He's been showing some of his shelf queens lately. I think he's got a Mustang project in the works. Just some great looking builds though, so I'm very eager to see what comes from his channel. Probably some great tips are going to come out of there. Definitely some beautiful builds, so go ahead and check him out. Link is going to be up there. It'll also always be down in the description. Another shop card that I was eagerly awaiting is from my friend over on the other side of the big pond, Seamus from Seamybmw. Seamus is also an amazing builder, just an absolutely fantastic, all-around great guy. I love the stuff he does with like LEDs and whatnot. Just some fantastic work there. Some great tips coming off of his channel as well, especially with some of the, I mean, he shows you how to do some of the LED stuff. I would like to do LEDs, and it's really weird because when I do like 1/72nd scale Bandai Star Wars type stuff, I have like LEDs and fiber optics and stuff running, and they're much smaller than the 1/24th and 1/25th scale cars. That I can never really seem to get the electrical to fit in a car. And I think the way he does it is he actually just runs a set of wires down to the wheels, and then he sets them on a base and has the base has electrical that connects it down to the actual electricity. which is something I may look into now that I'm putting all of my kits in clear cases instead of letting the dust destroy them like I did for the first few years with the kits. But yeah, just absolutely fantastic stuff from both of these guys. Again, their links are going to be up there. They'll also be down here. Also, if you want one of my shop cards, I have a little less than 15 of these left. My email address is down in the bottom as well. Shoot me an email. And with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get back to work. So thanks for watching. Keep modeling and have a great weekend.